Hello students of class 7th. Today we will discuss part 3 of chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants. Now students, we will discuss on cells. Now the question arises, students, is what is cells? So students, cells are the structural, functional and the smallest unit of life. स्टूडेंट्स, सेल का हिंदी मीनिंग लिखिए कोशिका। तो कोशिका सजीवों के अंदर रचनात्मक, क्रियात्मक और उनके जीवन की छोटी इकाई है। Now another question arises, what are the different types of cells? One is eukaryotic cell and second is prokaryotic cell. Okay students, another question arises is that what is the difference between a eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell? So students, the cells which contain nucleus are called eukaryotic cell, and the cell which do not contain nucleus are called prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are found in a multicellular organism. Students, write down the Hindi meaning of multicellular organism. मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म बहुकोशिकीय सजीव। And prokaryotic cells are found in a single celled organism. Students, also write down the Hindi meaning of unicellular organism, एक कोशिकीय सजीव। Here students, in this diagram, this is a multicellular cell and it has nucleus, cytoplasm and cell membrane as major components. Also students, in multicellular organism there are more than one cells, and in a single celled organism or unicellular organism there is only one cell. Students, example of eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, students, found in humans as well as other animals. plants and fungi. And these organisms are named as eukaryotes. Also, these organism comes under the category of multicellular organism. Okay students, an example of unicellular organism or single celled organism is that bacteria, yeast, amoeba, paramecium. These are some single celled organisms and these contain prokaryotic cells. One more important note, students, please write down. Prokaryotic cells are much smaller than eukaryotic cells. Now one more question arises here, students. What do you mean by cell membrane? Cell membrane. The cell is enclosed by a thin outer boundary called cell membrane. Write down its Hindi meaning is Koshika Jhilli. Now another question arises here. What do you mean by nucleus? So students, most cells have a distinct centrally located spherical structure called nucleus. Hindi meaning of nucleus is Kendrak Dravya. Another question arises is, what do you mean by cytoplasm and what is its function? So students, cytoplasm is the nucleus is surrounded by a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, write down its Hindi meaning Koshika Dravya. Here students, look at this multicellular organism cell. Here this outer boundary is called cell membrane. And see here students, this is the small spherical structure. This is called as nucleus. And this is the jelly-like substance, and this jelly-like substance is called cytoplasm. Students, please write the function of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is responsible for giving a cell its shape. It helps to fill out the cell and keep organelles in their place. Students, write down the Hindi meaning of organelles. Organelles means ang. Thank you students.